Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you a tuna salad recipe. This salad is filled with peas, potatoes, eggs, cucumber, and mayonnaise. It's a perfect option for a cold lunch, a picnic, or a barbecue. We'll need 3 medium potatoes and 3 eggs. Boil, peel, and chop. Next, add 7 ounces of canned tuna, drained and flaked. Six ounces of canned peas and 1 pickled cucumber. Then add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise or your favorite sauce. Stir until well combined. Place in the refrigerator until ready to serve. And there you have it. A delicious and simple tuna salad ready to enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.